Foota Hype says they only mention him for attention. Listen closely. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification on Sonic Snap.
If these people don't talk about Foota Hype, they get no attention. It clear now. If you don't see that, some of them have no real hated towards Foota, you know. Them just know say, them have to say something about Foota for people pay attention to the video or whatever they do. And if them say good, it now go viral. But if them say bad, it go viral. So what do? They keep saying bad. Although them not have no bad for prove, and them not have no, them just talk things, throw things in the ear, and people just run with it. You understand what I say? Them not exist if them not talk about me. Me did see them a cuss me, see? Go back to selecting. You turn vlogger, and hungry a kill you, and you're broke, and this, and you suffer. Go back to selecting and start vlogging now. Them same one. I turn vlogger. So what them not get no show?